Here's a look at current temperatures. A very cold start once again. We are at or near freezing for many spots and seeing mainly clear skies out there. There's a bit of fog around the region too, and with those temperatures close to freezing, could be some freezing fog out there and slick spots on the roadways. We're seeing that mostly down the valley, but take a look at these temperatures in the Portland metro area. Many spots here just below or at freezing now. So visibility here showing some dense fog out towards McMinnville. Salem has seen a little bit of relief from that fog over the past 30 minutes or so, but there is likely some freezing fog down the valley in this region and also out towards Eugene this morning. So careful driving in this area here. There could be some slick spots due to that fog, and again, low visibility out towards McMinnville. We've been really missing the rain. A couple of dry days since the weekend, and Monday saw a beautiful sunny day. And overall, February so far is seeing below normal rain totals. We're missing about 3/4 of an inch of rain, and so far since the first of the month, we've seen just over half an inch. So we should be wetter than we are, but as we move towards the weekend, we do expect to see more rain in the forecast. So dry for now, but a wet weekend ahead. Let's take a look at our satellite and our radar. Not too much going on here. A little bit of snow towards the east of us where temperatures are very cold through Idaho and Montana. But in our region, we are dry at this point in time. We do see a bit of a disturbance here working towards the south and into the region as we head towards our evening hours here. So out towards the coast, I think that'll be the best chance to see some light showers here out towards Astoria, Seaside, and for the central coast, maybe a light passing shower out there. And Portland, I think, will stay dry through tomorrow morning. Don't be surprised if we do see a light sprinkle here as that moisture is squeezed out of the system as it passes on by. Nothing too wet, though, heading into our Wednesday. And by tomorrow afternoon, we are expecting to see drier conditions and maybe even some sun breaks for tomorrow. So overall today and Wednesday do look dry. Thursday, different story though. We do see our next system scooting on by. A nice big pronounced cold front will bring more widespread showers back into the region for the coast here in the valley as well. And we'll start to see some more snowfall up towards the mountains. Not expecting any snow in Portland. We dry up and we'll see some spotty showers through Valentine's Day on Friday. Then our next system comes again by the weekend, bringing more rain towards the valley and heavier mountain snow too. So the weekend will start out wet. But until then, enjoy another mainly dry day out towards the valley here. Temperatures close to 50 degrees and some sun breaks if we get lucky right after lunchtime here. The coast again may see some showers moving forward. So let's talk about our snow levels. We do see colder air working in and snow levels down to about past levels. That's government camp at about 4,000 feet through the rest of the week. So as that system works in tonight, maybe a light dusting of snow, but not too many issues over the passes going into Wednesday. Thursday, different story, though. As that system works in, we could see a bit more snow. And then again, over the weekend, too, on Saturday, we're expecting more significant snow over the passes there. So we'll be tracking those systems as they work in here this week. But until then, a couple of mainly dry days through Wednesday. Rain showers likely on Thursday. And then for Valentine's Day, if you're out and about on a date throughout the evening, we'll be dodging some showers. That's your weather. We'll be right back.